We've gone and collected 12 of the trickiest verb pairings to aid you in your quest to become a master word finder. 1. Hope, expect, wait. Hope, want something to happen. Expect, think something is going to happen. Wait, stay in one place, without doing much, until somebody comes or something happens. Wait usually takes the preposition for or to plus infinitive. Second, mind matter. Mind, be annoyed or worried by something, so always needs a person as subject. Matter, be important, often used with it. Example, does your teacher mind if you don't go to all the classes? The meaning, is your teacher annoyed, worried, against because of this? Does it matter if you don't go to all the classes? Meaning, is it important if you don't go to all the classes? Third, steal, rob. Steal, take something that is not yours. The object of steal must be a thing. Rob, to take something that is not yours from a person or place. The object must be a person or a place, not a thing. Example, someone's stolen my watch. They wanted me to steal your ring. I have been robbed. Robin Hood robbed the rich. 5. Hear, listen. Hear, receive sounds with your ears. It's a physical ability. Listen, to make an effort or to pay special attention to hear something. Example, I heard what you were saying although I was outside the door. I received the sounds of your voice. You never listen to what I tell you. I heard some quiet music upstairs, and I saw my son listening to some soft jazz. 5. Look, seem. Look, give an impression from what you can see. Seem, give a general impression. Example, Mario looks ill. He's very pale. I can see it. Maria seems unhappy, but I don't know why. She gives me such an impression. She looks as usual, but seems unhappy. 6th lie, lay, laid, lay, laid. Lie, to be in or to move into a horizontal position. You do it yourself. Remember that when we speak falsely, we also lie, but in the past tenses we lied. Lay, to put something in a horizontal position. You need an object. Example, to do this exercise, lie on your back and relax. He lay awake all night. Please. Lay the baby on the sofa. I laid aside the book and went to make dinner. 7. Advice, advise. Advice. Paul gave me some great advice last night. Advise. I would advise caution when you get there. It's a scary area. 8. Affect, effect. Affect, gravity affects everything around us. I was affected by that sad film last night. Effect, the medicine's side effects were concerning. The special effects in that action film were impressive. 9. To bear, to bear. To bear. These old walls can't bear too much weight nowadays. My poor friend had to bear a lot of pain after breaking their ankle. To bear, he showed me into a bare room and left. The bare facts, that's all I need right now. 10th, say, tell. Say, I didn't hear that. What did you just say? How do you say goodbye in German? Tell, please tell us your name and occupation. I promise not to tell anyone. 11, lose, loose. Lose, I lost my keys again. I was chased away, but I soon lost them. Loose, it looks like the bolt is loose. We're going to have to tighten it. I have a loose plan for tonight. 12th, adopt, adapt. Adopt. She adopted Jane when she was just 5 months old. This technique was adopted by my company from the start of the year. Adapt, I adapted this motor to work for my motorcycle. It fits. We have to adapt to these hotter summers. Buy a fan.